The Sulaimani Forum is Iraq's foremost and longest-standing policy gathering, welcoming leaders and researchers from across the Middle East, Europe, and the United States. The story of the Sulaimani Forum begins with the founding of the American University of Iraq, Sulaimani, AUIS, in 2006. Which marked the start of a new chapter in developing the country's educational and research sectors. Since that moment, the university has become a leader in fostering national and regional dialogue, with one notable achievement being the establishment of the Sulaimani Forum in 2013, the first major policy forum in Iraq. The 8th edition of the Sulaimani Forum is set to take place on April 17 and 18, 2024, at the American University of Iraq, Sulaimani. The university's flagship policy research center, the Institute of Regional and International Studies, IRIS, is the proud organizer and host of the forum. IRIS and the university as a whole are thrilled to announce that some of the world's leading think tanks are joining the forum as official partners, including Chatham House, the Century International, United States Institute of Peace, Middle East Institute, Istituto Affari Internazionali, Al Bayan Center, and Crisis Group. The university's faculty, staff, and students eagerly anticipate the privilege of hosting this important event in April.